Neuroplasticity and aging, the key to unlocking cognitive resilience in seniors. The aging process brings with it a myriad of changes, not the least of which is the subtle erosion of the mental faculties that have defined our lives. For years, the conventional wisdom has held that once our brains reach a certain stage of development, change becomes unlikely if not impossible. However, advances in neuroscience have given rise to a much more hopeful understanding. Neuroplasticity persists well into old age, offering the potential to maintain and, in some cases, even enhance cognitive function. In this video, we will explore the profound impact that neuroplasticity can have on aging populations and provide actionable strategies for harnessing this remarkable ability. Defining neuroplasticity and its relevance to aging. At its core, neuroplasticity is the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize its structure, functions, and connections in response to experience and environmental changes. This concept has revolutionized our view of the brain, suggesting that its capacity for adaptation and growth is not limited to youth, but extends into the golden years. Recognizing this potential provides a powerful impetus for seniors and their caregivers to pursue activities that promote cognitive health. The relationship between neuroplasticity and aging is particularly crucial. With the increasing prevalence of age-related cognitive decline, such as mild cognitive impairment, MCI, and dementia, the need for proactive interventions has never been greater. By understanding and leveraging neuroplasticity, we can exercise our brains much like we do our bodies, thus helping to stave off the effects of aging on our cognitive abilities. Understanding the mechanisms of neuroplasticity to fully appreciate the role of neuroplasticity in combating cognitive decline, it's essential to grasp how this process works. Neurons, the fundamental building blocks of the brain, communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. Neuroplastic changes can occur at these synaptic junctions, involving the creation of new pathways or the strengthening and pruning of existing ones. These changes can be driven by a variety of factors, from learning a new skill to coping with a stroke's aftermath. In the context of aging, several factors can influence neuroplasticity. These include genetics, diet, exercise, stress, and environmental enrichment. While some of these factors are beyond our control, others can be manipulated through intentional lifestyle choices, offering the promise of preserving cognitive vitality as we age. Leveraging lifestyle for enhanced neuroplasticity in seniors. A healthy lifestyle is the bedrock upon which neuroplasticity can flourish. Diet plays a critical role, with certain nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants showing a neuroprotective effect. Similarly, regular physical activity has been linked to improvements in brain structure and function, likely due to its ability to enhance blood flow to the brain and increase the production of neurotrophic factors that support neuronal health and growth. Mental stimulation through education, social engagement, and the pursuit of new challenges is equally vital. These activities, known as cognitive reserve, can help to offset the effects of age-related brain changes by establishing and maintaining a rich network of brain connections. Techniques for enhancing neuroplasticity in aging brains. The science of leveraging neuroplasticity for improved cognitive function has spawned a variety of techniques and interventions. Cognitive training, which involves practicing tasks that target specific cognitive abilities, has shown promise in improving memory and attention in older adults. Brain games and applications have become increasingly popular for this purpose, providing accessible and engaging platforms for mental exercise. Mindfulness and meditation practices offer another avenue for enhancing neuroplasticity. By cultivating a state of focused, non-judgmental awareness, these techniques can reduce stress, which is known to be detrimental to brain health, and promote emotional resilience. Additionally, techniques such as focused attention and open monitoring can directly impact the brain's structure and function, leading to improvements in attention, memory, and emotional regulation. Lastly, improving sleep quality can greatly influence neuroplasticity. During sleep, the brain engages in a variety of housekeeping functions, including the consolidation of memories and the elimination of waste products. Certain sleep disorders, such as sleep apnea, have been associated with cognitive decline, highlighting the importance of adequate rest for brain health. Case studies and success stories of cognitive vitality in seniors. The anecdotal evidence for the effectiveness of neuroplasticity-based interventions is as compelling as the research data. Stories abound of seniors who, through commitment to a brain-healthy lifestyle and engagement in stimulating activities, have defied the conventional narrative of mental decline. These individuals serve as beacons of hope, demonstrating the potential for cognitive resilience in the face of aging. Practical tips for daily life to encourage neuroplasticity. For those looking to fortify their cognitive health, the path forward is marked by a series of simple yet effective strategies. These can include: engage in lifelong learning, whether through formal education, reading, or pursuing a new hobby. Stay socially connected, as meaningful relationships can provide a protective effect on brain health. Prioritize a nutrient-rich diet and stay hydrated, as nutrition is a fundamental aspect of brain health. Challenge yourself regularly, whether through puzzles, learning a new language, or engaging in a new physical activity. Manage stress through practices like meditation, deep breathing, and maintaining a positive outlook. Looking to the future, promising research and development. The field of cognitive aging is dynamic and continually evolving. Researchers are exploring new frontiers in the quest to understand and enhance neuroplasticity. These include the development of pharmaceutical interventions that target specific neurotrophic factors, as well as non-invasive brain stimulation techniques that can facilitate neuroplastic changes. While these approaches are still in their infancy, they hold promise for the future of cognitive health in aging populations. Conclusion: investing in cognitive wealth for the long run. The adage, use it or lose it, takes on new significance in light of our current understanding of neuroplasticity. By actively engaging with this process, we can build cognitive reserves that pay dividends throughout our lives. For seniors and those who care for them, the message is clear. It's never too late to invest in the health of your brain. Through intentional effort and a commitment to healthy living, we can promote neuroplasticity and maintain sharp mental acuity well into our senior years. This knowledge is empowering, offering a proactive and positive approach to aging. By integrating the insights and strategies presented in this article, individuals can take charge of their cognitive destiny. The road ahead may be long, but with each step, the potential for a vibrant and fulfilling cognitive life remains within reach.